Ever heard of terms like buffalo hump, neck hump, or dowager's hump? These refer to a fatty deposit at the base of your spine, often a result of incorrect posture. But don't worry, there are exercises that can help you address this issue. Before we dive into those exercises, it's essential to understand the importance of correct posture. Maintain an upright position, pull your shoulders back, and keep your chin in to alleviate tension in that area. And now it's time to introduce you to 3 effective exercises that can help. First up, we have the YWTW exercise. This exercise is all about stretching and straightening your thoracic spine. Begin by raising your arms overhead with your palms facing forward. Pull your arms backward, keep your elbows straight, and hold this position for about 30 seconds. Transition next to the W position. Pull your elbows down and back, holding once again for 30 seconds. Move next to the T position with your arms spread wide and palms facing forward, holding this pose for 30 seconds. Finally, transition to the L position with your elbows at your sides and your forearms pulled back. Hold for another 30 seconds. Next is the hands behind back stretch. Stand with your hands behind your back, holding onto your wrists. Straighten your elbows and pull your arms back, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Tilt your head back and hold for 30 seconds while exhaling deeply. Last, but certainly not least, is the wall stretch. Stand facing a wall and place your right hand high on the wall. Turn your body to the right and tilt your head backward, holding this position for 15 seconds. Repeat this on the left side for balance, holding for another 15 seconds. These exercises target the neck area where the hump forms and can help alleviate any associated neck pain. Remember, consistency is key, so make these exercises part of your daily routine for the best results. Thank you for listening, and here's hoping these exercises bring you relief.